So what's up people, welcome to this video. I hope everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the video. So in this video I will teach you about how do you use the grep command. So grep command is basically what the powerful text searching utility in Unix like operating system, and it is used to search for patterns. You mean the patterns like is there is a cat word in the pattern in the file, it will search for that and it will print the file name or it will print the patterns. So like it is used to search within the text files or streams and print the matching lines. That is why we use grep command. Okay, so let's start using that. So grep, okay, the syntax will be like this: grep and the pattern and the file name. So this will be the syntax for grep command. Okay, let's see. Let's go inside important folder. Okay, so there is a file. Okay, I'll do cat. So there is a word called orange. There is a two word called orange in file.txt. Let's use grep to find it. orange and the file name. So if I press enter, it will print the line which contain orange in the red line to specify that that the given string is matching to this string. So that is how you use grep command. Okay, so the next thing I'm showing you that okay, I'll remove those last text in the file. It's bothering me, I guess. Okay, cat file. Okay, let's say that you need to ignore something. Ignore apple in the file. So what this -i will do is that it will perform a case insensitive search. That means if it is what smaller letter, if it is uppercase or lowercase, it will just ignore it and it will just compare. Then if it is smaller or big upper, let's instead of that, let's go into the file. After this, orange is orange, yes. Okay, now what I do cat, sorry. Okay, now what I do, I use grep command -i, then the string will be orange, then the file name. So if I print that, if I print, then it will show the what string which is matching to the given string. It will ignore if it is uppercase or lowercase. That is where we use -i. Okay, let's go for the next argument. Let's say you need to print the line. Okay, you need to print the line number of that particular given string matching. So that you need -n. Let's say orange is matching. Okay, so it will print the line. So in the second line you have the given string matching, that will be here. The fourth line, that will be here. Okay, that will print the what line number. Okay, next argument that I'm using is what -c. So -c. Okay, -c is basically, it will display the count of matching lines. Let's say you are given a string orange in the file, so it will count. So how many lines has this particular string? So here it has, in the two lines we have the matching strings. Let's say you need to match the capital letter also, so that you need to include I here. So it will match the capital letter also, it will ignore the uppercase or lowercase. Then it will select this also, that will be in uppercase. Then it will input, there is 3 matching strings. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, let's say you need to um, display lines that does not match the given string. Grep, you need to use -v. Okay, so if you use -v, orange and file name, it will print the particular lines which is not matching to the given string. What if we use -i here? If I use -i here, it will also ignore this. It will also ignore this because it is a capital letter. So given string is a small letter, it will ignore the cases. Okay. The next argument which I am showing is -w. So like you are given a string. Okay, you are given a string to match. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Give me a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Let's say so I need to go for important folder, then I need to cat file.txt. Let's use grep -w and orange and file name. So what this will do, it will match the exact matching. Nothing should be different from the given string. So whether it is a oranges, also it will not declare that it is a matching string. It is a given string. So if it is, it's like it should be. It's like you need to find the exact match. You can't find a similar match. You need to find the exact match. That is where we use -w. Okay. Next, go for the next argument. That will be using r. Okay, so what is this r doing? R is nothing but search recursively. So what is this recursively? So recursively is nothing but, so let me do ls here. Okay, let me do ls. So let me create a one file. Let me create a one file called directory1, and let me go inside that and create a directory 2. Okay, directory 2. Now what I do, I come back. I come back and move the file to directory 1 and directory 2. What happens is that the file will be moved to directory 1. Okay. Now the file is present in the directory which is present inside the other directory. Let me come back. Okay, now I am in the important folder. Let's say there is a string inside a file which is inside the double folder. So that you need to use -r, which will search the pattern orange recursively. Directory 1, directory 1, directory 2, file 1. So it will find exact file with exact string, not exact string, the file which contain. So I'm just showing the example of one file. Okay, you can include like hundreds of file, it's your wish. So I'm just showing what is the use of -r, that will be searching recursively. Okay, now let me create a file. Okay, okay, let's save it. Let's come back. Okay, if I do cat lf if I do cat file, now the next argument that I'm teaching you is the using of multiple patterns. Okay, let's say you have a file here in the particular in this line, and you have new here. So this is the difference, right? So what to do, you use grep command. So you use -e, then you specify the file pattern, and you need to do another task. So if you are doing any search, if you are doing any multiple pattern search, then you need to use -e and -e, and it's like how much time you need, that much time you can use that -e command. Then I'll specify new, then I'll specify the file. So it will search the given string. So if it is one string, or if it is two string, or it is 3 or 4 n times. Okay, let's do like this. Okay, the next argument that I'm teaching you is that hyphen capital letter E. So if you use hyphen capital letter E, then it will search for the pattern. Okay, so it's like a what regular expression. Files. If I specify that file, then it will find the files or file. It's saying that print the line which contain file, or print the line which contain files, whatever it is, like that. It will print the particular line. That is how we use hyphen capital letter E. Okay, let's cat. Okay, the next argument which I'm teaching you is that how do you use capital letter hyphen F. Okay, grep capital letter hyphen F. Okay, so what is this capital letter hyphen F? So it's basically, it will treat the pattern as a fixed string, and well, it's like a disable regular expression, and it will print the fixed string. Okay, let's say you have a file, then you give a file name, so it will print the fixed string. Okay, you can't give the string which has files or files, something like that. You need to give the string which is fixed. That is why we use hyphen F. That will match the string which is matching 100%. Cat if. Okay, let's go for the next argument. That will be using hyphen L, which will display the file name with at least one match. Okay, let's say let's create. Okay, file.txt, sorry, whatever it is, txt or something, nano file.txt, this is file. Okay, let's save this. I do cat fi cat file. Okay, what I do now, I use grep command and hyphen L command, then I specify a pattern. So in the given files, I mean there is two files, that is file.ttx or fi. So in that particular files, there is a pattern called file. Okay, so what I do, I specify star dot anything. If I do like this, it will find whatever the files would contain the particular. If I do like only star, it will specify. So if I do like this, it will take anything which contain like abcd file name or something like that, and which has dot in it, and which has anything in it, so that file will be printed. If I did not specify dot star, it will print all the files. So it does not have any extension, it has an extension. So that is where you can use hyphen L. Okay, the next thing which I'm showing is that, so let's say let's cat fee, and let's say what if you use hyphen q. So hyphen q is basically, so it's called silent. It's called silent. So why do you call silent? Silent is not it is called silent because, so let's say you have a string match, in particular file. Okay, so what you do, it will echo it as a found. If the given string is matched, if the given string matched in a given file, then it will echo found, or it will echo not found. But the given string will not be printed. It will print in 0 or 1. So if it is 0, then it will print found. If it is 1, then it will print not found. Okay, sorry, if it is 1, then it will print found, and if it is 0, then it will print not found. That is where you use what -q. Okay, there is one more, but you can just go through this. So there is one more that I can show you, is that using capital letter -a, capital letter -b, and capital letter -c. So what this will do is that, so if you use capital letter -a with some number, like if you use capital letter A, it's nothing but it will display number line of content after matching line. So let's say if you use grep -a, then 4 or 2, like that. Okay, a file name, sorry, pattern need to give file, sorry, pattern will be file, then file name. So if you do like this, it will print the lines which is matching, and it will be what display number lines of content after matching lines. It will also display the content after which is matching. If you use -b, if you use hyphen capital letter B, this will display number lines of content before matching line. So if you use A, that is after matching line. If you use B, that is before matching line. What if you use C? So if you use C, it will it display the number line of content both before and after matching lines. Okay, that is how it works. And that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching, and bye.